Hi, I'm Jason Miller from ForeFlight. We've released a new update recently, and it's a big one. Big enough to call it 4.0, in fact. There's quite a bit of new functionality to check out, so this video gives a quick look at the biggest additions. Let's start on the airport's view. The big new feature here is the ability to see the FAA AFD information, just like you'd have in the green books. While we show a large amount of this data in other areas, we don't show it all, so this provides an easy way to get at that other info. Many AFD sheets also include overview diagrams of the airport and surrounding areas. Moving on to the maps view, we find quite a few updates. The biggest is the updated nav log at the top. The application now understands the active leg you're flying and auto-sequences as you reach waypoints. The new nav log is where you manage this and where you follow your progress. The nav log is now much wider and can be hidden or shown using the button in the toolbar. Your currently active leg is shown with a black background and a magenta arrow button. That button is how you make manual changes to your active leg. Just tap it to start tracking a new leg, or if ATC gives you a Direct To shortcut. The new nav log shows a good bit more detail now too. Not only can you see the total values for the distance, time, and fuel burn estimates like you could before, but you can see these broken down on a leg-by-leg basis as well. And when you're in the air, new fields on the right side update as you fly to give remaining distance and time for each waypoint along the route. But we couldn't make such a big update to the nav log without giving the HUD down below a little attention as well. You can now tap on any of the 4 HUD items to swap them out. So let's say you're not really interested in the current accuracy value of the GPS fix or the ground speed, and instead you'd like to see ETA for your destination. Just tap that item, slide down to the destination section, and select ETA. You can see we have a nice variety of HUD instruments to select from, so feel free to set it up just the way you'd like it. Another enhancement we've made to the maps view involves airspaces. Now you can tap on the map to learn about any given block of airspace. Make sure you selected the All filter when you want to find the airspace info. Here we can see the details on this Raleigh airspace. Now over to the new plates view. This is a brand new view that can be used to create binders of plates for easy reference. Just tap a plate in this view to see it full screen. You can still bounce back and forth from the maps view by using the black buttons at the bottom of the screen. Adding a plate to your plate binder is really easy. Just tap in the empty slot, choose or search for an airport, and tap the plates you'd like to add. You can also search in the top search bar and add plates using the plus button there, or just tap the plate name to view it right away. You can create and manage your binders in the binder selection dropdown. Oftentimes making a binder for each new trip is a handy way of organizing your plates and taxi diagrams. One of the last big additions to version 4.0 is user waypoints. Now you can create and route to your own custom waypoints. These can be created from the Maps view by tapping the plus button after you've tapped on the map, or you can create them manually in the User Waypoints view. You can also import waypoints in bulk, so check out our website for details on that. Other improvements have been made throughout the system. The maps are faster, lat-long waypoints can be input in more formats than before, and various little bugs have been exterminated. Of course, we've updated our pilot's guide with details on all these new 4.0 features, so please make sure you check it out to get the most out of your ForeFlight mobile. Thanks!